Hi, welcome to Level Skateboard Shop. We are here today doing an unboxing. And the next box we are going to pull out is this one. And let's see what's inside. Pro-Tec helmets. This is the Bucky Classic. With the classic skateboard, the classic interior. This is a really nice helmet. Let's take it out of the plastic and show it off, shall we? Oh, that is nice. This is a large inside. Oh, that is awesome. Got a Bucky Classic there. Got another Bucky Classic, size small. We've only got one of each, so these are going to go pretty fast, I think. But they're all pretty awesome. Oh, this is a cool one. Oh, so this is a junior. This is a different style of helmet. It's the certified. So it's got the full foam inserts inside. It's got this cool graphic all the way around. This is a youth small for all you little dudes out there. We got all the extra inserts to help it fit. If it doesn't fit right away, we can swap out some different inserts and make it fit good. It's got the adjustable fit in the back. So that is pretty awesome. We got another Pro-Tec helmet. Oops. We've got another classic fit, matte black. For all you stealth riders out there, this is a small. All you stealthy little dudes. Pretty stoked on the new helmets, Pro-Tec. I had Pro-Tec when I was a kid, so I really like them. We got another Pro-Tec here. Another matte black, classic foam. This is a large, for all you larger stealthy people out there. Pretty dope. Let's see if this one would even fit me. I've got kind of a fat head. This fits my fat head. This is a nice helmet. Ah, it feels good too. Nice. That is pretty exciting. Okay, what else do we got? Got another one in here. Again, we've only got one of each, so they will go fast. I'm hoping, I'm assuming. Oh, this is a different brand. 187 Killer. This is the Lizzie Armento Pro model, so she rides for 187, and she's got her own signature helmet with her own signature graphics. Oh, this is a nice insert. Nice insert, cool graphics. Lizzie Armento. That is a nice size, medium. This is a pretty average size, so I think this is going to fit a lot of people. Pretty stoked on that. She is a really good skater. So I'm imagining her helmet is also going to be really good. So there's the Lizzie Armento. We got another box here. Oh, okay. This is There's different stuff in this one. Okay, so Killer 187 helmet again. Different one. Did I say different one? Because I meant the same one, also a size medium. The Lizzie. This is nice. Cool graphic. Okay, so we have two of her helmets, luckily. And they're both size medium, so they're pretty standard fit. Should fit a lot of people. Pretty dope. Put some paper. Let's see, we got another 187 Killer Pads helmet. Size small. Nice gloss white. Oh, that's nice. Nice logo. Nice interior. Oh, that's going to be a good helmet. Nice foam, too. This is a nice crossover, like sort of between the certified helmets and the classic foam helmets. So, nice. This comes with a sticker. Very cool. We got another 187 helmet. We got a good collection of helmets now. This is another glossy white, size medium. This should fit a lot of people. Nice interior. Sweat catchers. Cool helmet. It's exciting. A lot of helmets coming in this year. Stack that one up there. Oh, and then we got another back to Pro-Tec. Oh, okay. So this was actually asked for. So people were asking me about these helmets. This is the full helmet. So this is what Mark Gonzalez wears. These are really nice. Pretty happy about this. Matte black. Very protective. Size small. I think this is going to be awesome for somebody. And yeah, that is pretty cool, actually. I don't think it's called the Mark Gonzalez helmet, but that's the helmet that he always wears. There's another somebody else that wears them. But anyway, pretty excited about that. That one over there. And then we also have, this is actually kind of different. Changing gears. Foundation Skateboards has this really cool landscape grip tape. So that would look really cool on a board. So we've only got one sheet of this. I'm just trying it out. And so far, I love the grit. I think that is really nice. I think that's going to fit really nice under someone's feet. And it's going to look awesome. So Foundation Landscape Grip. Pretty cool. All right. Put this here. Oh. Okay. So we have some hats too. I wasn't expecting the hats here, but Zero Bold hat. That is awesome. Zero Skateboards. Cool. Powell. Little Powell logo on the back there too. The Powell Ripper. That is a nice hat. Snapback. Powell Peralta, the Winged Ripper. Little logo on the back there too. Oh, those are fancy. Shoot. Oh, this is cool. So we got, I'll open this. Foundation Trucker hat. Foundation Skateboards, a little trucker hat with the logo on the back. That is a nice hat. Little foam front. Nope, not the foam, just the trucker hat. Same. Very cool. Oh, this is a nice one. This is the Foundation Push. Foundation Push. It's got the Foundation logo on the back. It represents skateboarding. That is nice. All right, that's it for that box. A lot of new headwear, helmets, hats, and some new, a sheet of grip. And we do have some more stuff coming, so stay tuned. Cool.